Opinion Best Minecraft Room Ideas. Modern Living Room. Here are some suggestions for designing a modern living room in Minecraft. Here are some ideas you could try. Use lots of white concrete, quartz blocks, glass, and gray concrete for a clean, modern look. Use carpets, wool blocks, or concrete powder for splashes of color. Make wide open spaces and large windows to create a spacious, airy room. Use glass panes or iron bars for railings and dividers. Incorporate modern-style lighting like sea lanterns, glowstone, or redstone lamps hidden behind quartz pillars or ceilings. Use buttons, pressure plates, or carpet on glowstone for accent lighting. Use lofts, stairs, slabs, and pillars to create architectural elements and visual interest. Add a large modern-style fireplace with a quartz mantle. Use banners, item frames with maps or custom images, flower pots, and other decorative blocks to add personality. Abstract art on the walls can look very contemporary. Choose sleek, modern furnishings like beds, couches, chairs, tables, and shelving made from materials like quartz, wool, glass, concrete, and wood. Don't forget finishing touches like windowsills, textured floors using different wood blocks or carpets, and lush greenery from potted plants. I hope these ideas spark some inspiration for how to design a trendy, modern living room in your Minecraft builds. Cozy room with fireplace. Nightclub room with dance floor. Library room. Gaming room. Giant pet room. Theater room. Gym room. Shooting range and weapon room. Armory room and mending station.